Siemens Healthineers is a company with a really broad portfolio in the medical diagnostics and imaging area, from our laboratory-based testing all the way through very large imaging such as CT scanners and MRI devices. We first started working with the Toxic Use Reduction Institute, or TURI, probably back in 2013 when we recognized that one of the common surfactants that we were using in a product had come under tight scrutiny in the European Union as a substance of very high concern. TURI offered the university a research grant to help work on our project. The first phase of the project was to work with a UMass Lowell professor to identify what our specific technical needs were and also the expectations we had for its safety and environmental performance.
We came up with a solution from a waste product from food, specifically peels of oranges or apple. So this product, which comes out of orange peels called pectic acid, we have found a very nice green way to modify it in 1 or 2 steps. Our materials are way less toxic. There's no real toxicity associated with our material, even at very high dosage compared to the current surfactant. So we go through the entire process, right, from looking at the feedstock, which is sustainably sourced, and a process which is green chemistry oriented, and a product which is also safe from both the use perspective and the actual application perspective.
Oftentimes, people in my role are faced with new substances that our people want to use that has almost no information to assess the safety or the environmental friendliness of it. The testing that the faculty did really was out of the box.
They interacted with our chemists and R&D to help and see how it was performing, but then to go the next step and actually start performing toxicological studies, I thought was amazing. That information is vital. But I never would have thought that there would be somebody with that sort of expertise. And again, TURI being the liaison with UMass Lowell, and UMass Lowell having that, the breadth of expertise, I thought was incredible.
So where we are now in the process is that we're using this new substance and testing it still in a number of different assays to check on performance and functionality. Companies like Siemens recognize that for us to be successful in the long term, we have got to be environmentally responsible, and it isn't that push-pull it used to be. Being environmentally sustainable means being business sustainable. For us to remain competitive in the market, we have got to be successful on the environmental sustainability front just as well.